Hello, I'm Matthew Joseph. Let's talk about L1 status in the United States. L1 is for intracompany transferees, people who are coming from overseas to work in their company's affiliate in the United States. There are a few basic requirements to qualify for an L1. First of all, the organizations in the United States and in your home country have to have a proper qualifying relationship. What does that mean? Usually it means that the companies have a parent-subsidiary relationship, or they're affiliates under the umbrella of a corporate conglomerate, branches of the same company, and in some cases, joint ventures can qualify. There are two basic types of L visas. One is the L1A, which is for management transferees, and the other one is for specialists, the L1B. Let's talk about the L1A first. For both types of L visas, the applicant must have spent 1 year working in the company abroad before coming to the United States. That's any 1 year out of the past 3 years. The L1A visa is for managers. They have to have worked in a management capacity in the company abroad before coming to the United States. The L1B is for technical specialists. This means that they have very specialized knowledge relating to the company's operations. The L visa is granted for a period of 3 years initially, although if your company is just starting its operations in the United States, it will probably only be authorized for 1 year. The L visa can be renewed for a period of 2 years. There are certain fees associated with the L visa application. You have to pay a basic filing fee of $320 to the Department of Homeland Security. Also, the first time you apply for an L, you also have to pay a $500 fraud prevention fee. Let's talk now about why the L1A is a particularly special visa. The L1A is a desirable status to have in the United States because if you decide to get a green card, it's much easier than if you're in L1B status or other types of non-immigrant categories. This is because you do not have to get a labor certification before you get a green card if you're in L1A status. If you bring a spouse and children to the United States, they'll come in as L2s. An L2 spouse is allowed to work with a proper employment authorization, a so-called I-765, but the other dependents of the L cannot. Finally, for large companies, it may be a good idea to do a so-called L blanket petition. This is a pre-qualification that allows a company to bring over additional employees much more easily after the first time the company is qualified. The requirements for the L1 blanket are that the company must have been doing business in the United States for over 1 year. They must have over $25 million in sales or employ over 1,000 United States workers, or have had 10 Ls approved within the past year. If you want more information about an L, please consult an immigration attorney. Thank you.